Now, as we told you, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached Rome in Italy and he's currently paying a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in Rome. Let's now cut across to live visuals coming in from Rome in Italy, where the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently paying a tribute at the Piazza Gandhi in Rome, a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. Once again, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Rome in Italy for the highly anticipated G20 summit. These are live visuals coming in from Rome, where the Prime Minister is paying a tribute at the Piazza Gandhi in Rome in Italy. The focus of the Indian Prime Minister's visit will be on pandemic recovery, of course, the climate fight. Remember, the Indian Prime Minister will be heading to the highly anticipated COP26 climate summit after the G20 summit in Rome. The Prime Minister once again has said that while the focus on pandemic recovery and the climate fight should continue, we must not lose focus. For all our viewers tuning into WION at this hour, these are visuals coming in from Rome in Italy, where the Indian Prime Minister, as we just showed you, is receiving a very he's a rousing welcome in many ways from the people in Italy. He has arrived in Rome, Italy for the G20 summit. And as we just showed you, a rousing welcome for the Indian Prime Minister. Moments ago, we showed you the Prime Minister was paying a tribute at the Piazza Gandhi in Rome in Italy, a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi.
नमस्कार, हमारा नाम मिलन विश्वास, हम ब्रेशिया में रहने वाला हूँ, नॉर्थ इटली में।
Once again, the Indian Prime Minister has arrived in Rome, Italy. Moments ago, we just saw him paying a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at the Piazza Rome. And as we can see, the Indian Prime Minister enjoys great popularity in Italy. We've seen a rousing welcome for the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Rome as of now. The leader is in Rome in Italy for the G20 summit, a gathering of some of the richest countries in the world. The focus this year will, of course, be on pandemic recovery and climate change. But the Indian Prime Minister had a clear message for world leaders when he said that while we should focus on all this, we must not lose focus on cross-border terrorism. The Indian Prime Minister is in Rome, Italy to attend the G20 summit. His visit comes at a time when the world is looking to India to set an example in sustainable and speedy pandemic recovery. Now, according to the IMF, India will remain the fastest growing economy in the post-pandemic world, which is what makes the Indian Prime Minister's attendance at this summit that much more significant. The G20 this year, of course, gains special significance. The UN's role is being brought under question at a time when global economies are trying to recover from the pandemic. Unemployment, hunger and supply chain crises, of course, are crippling the world as of now, right ahead of the festive season, the holiday season across the world. These are some of the points that the Indian Prime Minister is scheduled to bring up, along with a huge focus on cross-border terrorism, a huge priority for India. The Prime Minister just paid a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at the Piazza Gandhi in Rome in Italy, as we just showed our viewers moments ago. The Prime Minister is in Rome and received a rousing welcome from the diaspora, the Indian diaspora, and even some international expats in Rome at the moment. His visit comes at a time when the world is, of course, looking to India to set an example when it comes to crucial subjects such as sustainable and speedy pandemic recovery. WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.